Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today we are going to see that how can you provide the citation for ChatGPT. So what I want to say that, let's say if you want to cite ChatGPT, right, which is an open AI, like from open AI, and you want to cite that ChatGPT. So how will you cite that? So if you ask to ChatGPT that if you want to cite him or cite it, how will you cite it? So in API style, ChatGPT will provide you this kind of output. It says that it ChatGPT can be cited as OpenAI, then year, right, in which year you are going to cite it. Let's say if you're working today in 2024, so you're going to cite in 2024, right? Then ChatGPT, its name, and then which version you are using. So let's say if you're working in the month of July, as today it's a July month, and the day, so you can just write July 16, right, version, right? So this will be the latest version for this chat gpt. So the latest version is July 16 version, and then there is a square bracket. In this you will write large language model, and then you will write retrieved from this website address. Now to cite it in EndNote, what we have to do, you can't download any API style citation for EndNote. It is not available as per my knowledge. But let's say if you want to provide this citation as the EndNote file, what you can do, go to EndNote, right over here. You can, let's say you open an EndNote file, and over here you can go to this new reference, click on that new reference, this icon. So it will provide you a page, or you can say a dialog box, in which you can provide the details of a new article, the same as we are doing for a journal or an article, right? So what you will do now, over here in the terms of author, you will write OpenAI, right? So the author is OpenAI, so copy it. In this author tab, write OpenAI, right? And then you can see there is a year 2024. So again, go to year, over here just write 2024. In title you will write chat gpt, and the current version that you are going to use. If you want to know, you can just ask that how to cite you in API style to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will provide you the current kind of, you can say, citation format. So you will just paste the title, which is over here, and then you have to also provide this large language model, as it is also given in this title. So I will copy and paste this too. There is no journal volume, okay, and then we have to write retrieved from this website. So copy it, and then you have to scroll down, search for URL, paste it over here, and then close it. Right now, as you can see, this reference has been inserted in a group. If it is a group, or if it is a new file, it can be inserted over there. So now what I will do, I will click on this, and I will, let's see if I cite it in a Word file, how it will look like. So I will now go to a EndNote file. First, as you already know, I have make a video on this, how to cite in a Word using EndNote. So now I will give you a short introduction on that. So click on any citation that you want to cite over here, then click on this insert citation. Be sure the cursor has to be at that location where you want to cite it. Click on that, insert citation, and you can see this now OpenAI, and let's see the citation. Okay, it's OpenAI, then we have a year which is in parentheses, then ChatGPT, then we have a new the latest version, and then large language model. Over here, as you can see, this retrieve from is not available because it, as per the API format, it is not allowing me to provide that. Okay, but if you want to, let's say, provide that, you can customize the reference format, and that will give you this thing. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Thank you.